Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you how to answer a reference question using a business directory. For the purpose of this video, this will be the reference question that I'm attempting to answer. Your patron is applying for a job at Rayplex Ltd. in Oshawa. She knows they are a manufacturing firm but wants to know what they manufacture in details such as how long they've been in existence and who the president is. Can you locate this information? So the first step that we're going to take is to navigate to the Library Durham College website. This is easily done by Googling Durham College Library. After that, click on the link and follow through the page. Once you have reached the library homepage, the next step will be to scroll down until you see this green bar right here, and then you're going to click on Research Guides. Once you have clicked on this link and it's open and loaded, you're going to navigate to the business section where we will find subject guides in relation to business. The one that we are going to be using today is going to be called Company and Industry Research, and this is a subject guide that has all kinds of sources that will lead you to information about different companies and what they do, and their profits, and all kinds of information is available within this link. So we're just going to click it. Okay, now that we're here, we're going to scroll down just a bit so we can see some more. And as you can see on the left-hand side of the page, there are a whole list of different things that we can choose from. So for today, we're going to be clicking on the Business Directories section. So we're just going to click on that. Okay, now that we've reached the section in this study guide called Business Directories, we just have to pick the correct business directory for what we want to find today. The top section tends to be community businesses and directories, and then if you scroll down, there's online business directories and books in our library. So for the purposes of today, I'm going to click on Scott's Directory, Ontario Business Prospector, because it has detailed information on Canadian manufacturers, wholesalers, and business services, which is sounding like what we're trying to find from our question. So we're just going to click on that. If you are accessing the library website from home, you're going to need to enter your credentials. Okay, now we've reached Scott's Directories of Ontario businesses. As you can see, there's a lot going on this page, but it's not as overwhelming as it initially seems. So on the left-hand side of the screen, it gives us a list of things that we can search by. Lots of stuff. Geographic, demographic, products, indicators. So the easiest thing for us to do to find a company is to search by company name. So we're going to go to company and click company name. Then we're going to enter the name of the company, Rayplex Ltd. And then we're going to hit search. Once we see the name of the company we want, we make sure we click on it. And it's going to take us to this page, which is the company profile. And as you can see, this is enough to answer everything that our client wanted to know in her reference question. It has the products that this company produces. It has the name of the president of the company, and it also has the year it was established, as well as other information such as number of employees, sales, square footage, their website, their address, stuff like that. So I hope that was helpful in navigating business directories, and hopefully not just helping you use this source, but how to find other sources of information that will be useful for business purposes as well, and doing research about companies. Thank you for your time. I hope this was helpful.